Today I'm going to show you how to remedy printer problems. Printers have always been a problem since the dawn of their inception. Generally they're very inky, they cost a lot of money, and they tend to jam up when you need them most. But I can show you 3 quick tips that will get your printer up and running with good speed. Okay, so you're going to want to go into your Dropbox and open up your Dropbox folder. Great. So now we have the camera uploads, and let's if you have a picture of just a bunch of yams, that is going to be very helpful for fixing your printer problems. Not many people know this, but the ink cartridges are made from yams. They're extracted at service centers, and so what we want to do is get these yams into your printer. So now that we've selected the yams, let's just go to Go. Oh no, well no, we can't go just yet. Let's magnify the yams. Oh. And I want that one. I want this one specifically. You'll notice it has a little kind of butt cleft, and then a humper snout. And that's exactly what I want. Okay. So we're just going to go to our services, hit Nova Services Apply, and it should be printing as we speak. Thanks for the yams.